Guys, Electric Mayhem.
Welcome to the studio. Please keep moving all the way across the room. The band is easily distracted, so no flash photography or video lighting. And please do not sit or stand on the handrails.
Rock and roll! Hey, Penguin, how's that sound? Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What's happening? Big Bob. Scooter?
What's happening?
Rock.
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Ozzy.
Whew! I tried to stall, but tough crowd. Hey, you guys better get moving. Traffic is so bad it'd be faster to waka waka.
Good grief, I don't know how much longer this crowd's gonna wait.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there.
Good.
Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo,
Hey,
actually.
how fast can I get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
You got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
But what about all of them?
You know how we feel about our band.
All right, now how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that idea.
Me too. Get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Códigos sus artículos personales en el piso y asegúrese de vigilar a los niños. Gracias.
Well, it goes left to this step. Just one while I connect. You forgot to put on your earmuffs.
Joining us on this one is someone who's like pure sunshine, Kelly Clarkson.
Oh, Janice, it's so great to be up here with you and the Electric Mayhem.
Animal finally made it to the concert.
That's not Animal.
Oops. Sorry, lady. No.